In this video we go to the legendary Lakeside on a boiling hot day to paint some fresh pieces. Yeah, and here we are alongside Fussy doing his 1k subscriber wall. You can't beat the combination of a NyQuil actuator and a skinny cap for really fine, nice, controllable lines. If you've never tried a NyQuil actuator, give them a try. I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not paid by them, but just trust me, give them a go if you never have.
Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. Come out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you saw in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shape. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the surf. I was down below the commas. I put dollars on my head like I don't wanna. Yeah, I'm proud of what I did, I'm gonna come up. Yeah, you left me on red, so don't try to run. I want no smoke, then come in peace. Flow so foreign overseas. Got them praying, they like please. They want cheddar, not no cheese. Undefined, they don't get it, it's amazing. I was down bad in the basement. I would pray to God for a placement. I was never patient, I was always racing. Got me on the drive, that's a flagrant. Little boy, tell me what you chasing. We gotta do better, gotta be clever, gotta love more, that's a statement. Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. I'm out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you saw in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the surf.
It's silver stubby, I was just inside of the grave. When I resurrected in like 3 whole days. Put up on my car, I had a sneaker. So I take a tenant because we the way. Walk around the house, got drip on anyway. They gon' eat it up like it's a dinner day. Seen a Lambo, claimed it on the interstate. Fame is nothing when it's Jesus center stage. On the front of silver, it's the game. I feel my calendar, I'm losing track of all the days. Call me water boy, and I was giving them a name. I was sitting on the bench, they had to put me in the game. I be from the dot, they said ashes in my veins. Shout out to the guts where I'll never be ashamed. Vision on the birthday when I know it's gonna be great. It's still to celebrate you when your family gon' hate.
They just wanna see me in the grave. I'm out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you saw in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out. And I'm back like I never left. They just treating every song like another check. I'm pulling up to every court and I'm calling next. They try to end me, now I'm stopping my foot on their neck. You'll be surprised what they do for attention. God looks into your heart and intentions. I see you judging in all of my mentions. I'm out the grave, I thank God for redemption. Now I'm taking it a step at a time. My future is bright like I turned on the lights. It's crazy how I see them right through the blind. I used to explain how I'm catching these flights. Don't hit my DMs with arrogance. I gotta do it with excellence. I'm reaching the needy, it's evident. And they still in the room with the elephant. Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. I'm out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you saw in the day. I was down, now I'm up to the plate. Got a couple hits, cause you know I can't play. We gon' win it no matter what the shirt. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the surf. Got the stick, we gon' bring it out the surf.
what have I got to say? So my piece was, yeah, it didn't really fill the wall very well. Wasn't really happy with the K and the S. They were all too bunched up and tight, but I really liked the E. The E worked well. Character was a bit meh. Needs some work, but I kind of want to develop that into something going forward anyway. So watch this space with that one. Cool to meet some new faces and paint alongside them. Not that I really spoke to anyone that much. And yeah, good to catch up with old friends. One of those dudes I've known for literally like 20 years now. Yeah, 20 years. They're or thereabouts. So yeah, madness. Time's ticking. Got to make the most of it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.